Hey everybody, my name is Cameron Wills and I run a marketing agency called Wills Creative here in San Diego, California. Now I've taken about 5 years of Facebook marketing experience, and I've also taken, gurus courses such as the Tai Lopez's and the Billy Jeans that charge hundreds if not thousands of dollars per month to take their course. And I've taken all that same information, I've modernized it with all of the latest features that Facebook has in 2019, and I've cut out all the fluff. You're not going to listen to me ramble on for 30 minutes about my Lamborghinis or reading books all day, but you will learn a lot. I dive right into the information you need to know to not only create a Facebook campaign, but to actually create a profitable Facebook campaign, to create a campaign that's actually going to be ROI positive. A lot of people will show you how to make a campaign, but the results you're going to get are not going to be that great. In order to be successful in this, you obviously need to generate leads at a low cost or generate sales if that's your business. So this course is really designed for people that are freelancers or looking to do digital marketing for a living and maybe want to create their own social media agency, or businesses that just want to learn how to promote their own products and services. Now at the end of this course, there is a bonus content section where I actually show my real world proposal videos that I sent that actually landed me paying clients. Not only that, but I will give you the exact audience details and ad copy that I use to run ad campaigns for them that generate them leads at a super low cost, and that I'm still running for them. So not only are you going to learn how to create ads, and not only am I going to show you how to find and acquire customers, but I'm also going to give you the exact ad campaigns that I use to generate the results that I get, and you can basically just copy and paste them right into your Facebook ad manager and get probably the same results that I'm getting. So I look forward to teaching you guys this stuff. It's super valuable and I hope you're excited.